My name is Ahmad Shehzad. Today I am going to talk about pharmacist. Key rules of a pharmacist. The pharmacist rule is dispensing. Number 1, dispensing medicine, and number 2, providing advice, counseling. Number 3, they explain how to take medicine and when to take it and how to take it. Number 4, in the hospitals they work with a nurse to prepare the right medicine for patient. Number 5, some pharmacists work in medicine factories. Number 6, pharmacists keep records of which patient took which medicine. And do you know where do the pharmacists work? Pharmacists work hospital, pharmacy shop, and drug companies, clinic, and research lab. Thanks for watching my video. Tata.